What is up, guys? Pro Unlimited Slasher here. I'm with Infinity Gaming. Cesar the Killer 99, known as Sub-Zero something.
Oh shit!
And Amy Gaming, who doesn't have a YouTube channel. Get one, Amy Gaming. See, they're already saying in the comments, "Hey, Amy Gaming, you better get that game. You better get that YouTube channel. You're gonna be damn, boy." Actually, she ain't a boy. She a girl. But anyways, I'm gonna show you all the Vine stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna show you like what you're gonna do with that dessert.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, motherfucker. How you doing?
You're not my
Dad!
dad. Look what hands on me. Ugly ass fucking.
Look like doodle. Okay, let's keep going.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Blue black Miguelita. Blue black Miguelita. On the job. Wow.
I don't need friends. They just friends.
Dad, bro, I'm showing you the video right now from Yellow Paco. Just shut the frick up.
Potato flew around
My room before you gave excuse.
what? Sweet potato.
We could go. Fuck what I said. I was fucking weak. Give me the money.
Mañana.
Give me the money.
You better stop.
Damn.
What's 9 plus 10? 21.
Yeah.
That backflip though. Nigga, that's going on. Change, please. Damn! I love you. Bitch, you want a fur fry? Bitch, your fur fry? Bitch, if you want a burger, eat a burger.
A booger.
Fuck you, I don't want no ravioli, nigga. It's watermelon.
He said a watermelon.
A potato flew around my legs before you came and
Do it! Do it! Just do it! Make you... No, nigga!
I forgot about that one.
No, nigga! No, nigga! No, nigga!
that was legitness.
Mom, I love you!
October 3rd.
Oh, my God! Really, nigga? Shout out to all the parents.
Shout out to all the
Shout out to
pairs.
all the parents.
Pear.
Baby squee web. What's up, nigga, bitch?
What the fuck wrong with you? What the fuck wrong with you?
That was me. I was having goat issues.
Where they at, though?
Yeah, Yankee, where they at though?
You stupid.
They're not.
What the hell? You stupid.
That's just so random.
Oh, she's stealing. No, nigga. No.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you.
What the fuck?
Go in your room. Go. Do you want to dance with me?
Go and fuck yourself.
Well, I won't anyone dance with
Cause
me.
I don't wanna fuck you.
Oh my god.
You got all
Or nah.
Sweet potato. They're not. I like turtles. I like turtles.
Pears.
I like turtles. They're not.
Oh, hell no.
I'm going to Disney World. Boom, boom.
Bruh.
Hey.
Nothing?
Bells.
Oh my God. They can't say hello to
The camera.
Hey, kids. Patricia!
Honey, can you be quiet? I'm just...
These nuts. Got him. Got him. These nuts.
You got that gas money?
No, I only got my card.
Oh, that's all good.
LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James.
May I please take your order?
Can you serve me tuna fish? Boy, if you don't get...
Boy, if you don't get here.
What you got with that dessert? Do what, do what, do what, do what, do what, do what, Why you mad? You better stop! Damn! Change, please. Damn! I love you! You want a hair fry? Get your hair fry.
Fuck you, I don't want no ravioli, nigga.
It's watermelon! It's watermelon!
Potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
But anyways, that was the puppet. That was the Vine
That was
crap.
legit.
That was the Vine